Okay.
I think I have to click continue. Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Steve Nash. I'm here to support a few of the 25 big asks. And I want to, although I do support all 25, I want to concentrate on number 12, which is under the conservation and open space element, new programs, and that is the to decarbonize existing buildings. And I would also throw in, I support the banning of natural gas hookups in new construction. And its partner is number 13, local energy development and community microgrids. Now, I feel that both of these are vitally important to our being able to address climate change. And it is imperative that we do this in this general plan update, because from my perspective, I may not be alive. A lot of us may not be alive for the next general plan update due to whatever reasons. So we need to get things done right. And we need to be as proactive as possible in addressing climate change. To decarbonize buildings simply means to eliminate the use of natural gas. And this frightens people for whatever reasons. But if you think about it, at one time buildings were heated by coal furnaces. They had oil lamps and wood burning stoves, and we moved on. Technology allowed us to improve the sources of the energy and heat and warmth from within our homes. So the solution, of course, is to go all electric. And electricity, we are going to transition to a renewable energy grid. We will get rid of all consumption of hydrocarbons. And again, I feel that this is imperative that we do this for climate change, for any number of reasons. Local energy development and community microgrids is extremely important, because we are kind of putting all of our eggs into one basket by relying upon utility scale power plants and transmission lines, which become extremely susceptible to natural disasters. If we develop microgrids, then we are much less susceptible to these wide-scale outages, and it leads us to live in much more sustainable and much cleaner local environments. So I will end there, and I hope that the Board of Supervisors approves all 25 of our big asks, and think about our future, because time is running out for us to implement these much needed changes. So thank you for your time.